Loya from Chowking. Little Manila. From Chowking. Ay, bumili rin ako ng cheese bread, pandikoko, pandiregla, at ensaymada ube. And the rest is sabang saging. Wala pang 1 kg. Tatry ko tong kopi ko. Black 3-in-1. Meron pa akong Chowking dyan. Mula ako ng rice na samba. So, tanghon. And alam mo na, yan. Sardinas in Argentina. Pang sinigang natin at kamuting kahoy at okra. Sama natin sa sinigang. Caldereta sauce. At gagawin natin yan. Gagawa tayo ng something to cook. O, diba?
Thank you guys for watching. God bless and stay safe. Thank you.